up, guys? It's your girl Unknown Souls, geeked up, sneaked up, back again with another video. Today I have a couple reviews for some shoes that I won on a raffle like a week and a half ago. So I want to go ahead and get into this review, and y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll let you know what I think about the shoes. The first shoe we're going to review today is the Ma Maniére Jordan 12. It's a collaboration social status Ma Maniére does with Nike, and they do a good job of putting out shoes. Nice material. The shipping is not as fast, but they put out some nice shoes. So Ma Maniére boxes, they come with like this outer plastic protection box, and you usually find these like on the Travis Scotts. They have them on the Ma Maniére's. DJ Khaled, when he dropped his Jordan 5s, he had this little plastic casing around the box, which is pretty cool. It's pretty unique and rare. Travis Scott probably was the first one to do it. So it's just some hard plastic with the logo, the Ma Maniére logo on it. Okay, guys, this is the Jordan 12, your basic Jordan 12 box. Jordan 12, Jordan 11 box, basic box, size 8, my size. Okay, Ma Maniére does a great job with putting a lot of imprints in the box to make it different, classic. So on the box you have, I'm sure there's Michael Jordan in the background. The A for Ma Maniére. It's kind of blurry, you really can't see it. I can't see it. You got your imprint of your Ma Maniére paper. You have your imprint that comes with the shoes. Okay. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and get into this review. The materials, it look like you have your black tone, your maroon. You got your black nubuck upper material. Black nubuck upper material on 60-65% of the shoe. Then you have your Shaggy maroon mesh material around the toe box. Also at the bottom of that you have your dark maroon rubber. Usually Ma Maniére does a good job as far as like the QA quality on the shoes, but I see a few glue stains on the shoes. I'm not sure if that's meant for that look, because the shoe is a little shaggy. It's a little dusty. Just a little materials. It's probably gonna look like based off the materials. Okay, so on your back heel you have the Ma Maniére logo right underneath the Jordan logo for the outsole. Okay, I also on the side, you know, usually Jumpman 12s have the Jumpman logo right here. It's like your exposed carbon fiber, like shiny. I would say maroon as well. That's pretty neat for the collaboration. And the shoestrings, they're not like the regular shoestrings. They're like the wax base shoestrings, kind of thin. They're like the wax base shoestrings. I like the colorway. The colors pop. I also won the white pair as well, so I'm just waiting on them to ship the shoe. The white pair is white, so you got your white outsole. Your bottom sole is white, which is pretty cool. It look like you have some type of design going in the mids of your outsole. And I also noticed that the Jumpman is just like a shiny piece. Black Jumpman. And as well as like the canvas print for the insole of the shoe. I'm not sure if you can see that because it's black as well. The Ma Maniére collaborations is always good. I would say I would give this shoe maybe, I'll say a 7. I'll say a 7. Hopefully when the white pair comes in, it's a little bit, it's better. Let y'all check that shoe out. It also contains a tag. Feels like hard rubber, Ma Maniére, with a Jordan logo on the tag. It's pretty cool collab. Yeah, usually I wanted to get the Jordan 3, the Jordan 4 Ma Maniére collaborations, but of course I didn't win the shoes. So as far as like, I wanted the Jordan 1s as well, so I paid resale through my boy Alex GP Heat. So of course Jordan 1 Ma Maniére, same colorway, same color blocking, same plastic card protection box. Let me show y'all these real quick. This is another Ma Maniére collaboration. This is Jordan 1s. Pretty nice. Different material. Same canvas on the insole. It's pretty nice. Like I said, all the Ma Maniére collaborations, they always try to do something with the box. Make it different. Alright guys, let's get into this second shoe that I have. Okay, I won this shoe. It's a collaboration between Undefeated and Nike. So they're calling the shoe the Dunk versus Air Force Ones because they also came out with an Air Force One collaboration with Undefeated. So that's why it says this on this box. It's a Dunk. It's not an Air Force One. So it's my size. I'll show you in the description. I won the shoe via raffle. So this Dunk is a tad bit different from the other Dunks. It's a nice, clean, dark colorway. It's pretty dark. Check it out. They call it a 5 on it pack. They call it a 5 on it pack. The shoe dropped in, I want to say, September of 2001. But Undefeated had another raffle, so they put the raffle out, and surprisingly, I won. You got your paper. You know, they don't give you the shoe tree anymore. So the inside of the shoe reads, this shoe contains real fur, fur type, dyed adult buoy, fur originated in Brazil. So that's pretty cool that the shoe contains actual fur. You have your translucent rubber outsole. Is always good. The translucent rubber outsole instead of your plain. So it's for, you know, if you want to skateboard, because the Dunk is a skateboard shoe. So if you want to skateboard, you have your grip. If you want to hit the skateboard, you know, you have your grip. It's always nice. Okay, so the shoe contains 5 materials. You have your pony. I think it's some type of pony leather right here. Then you have your ostrich fur. This shoe contains actual fur. Actual fur. Then you have your ostrich fur. You have your nylon upper. You have your nylon upper print. It contains some canvas. You know, as you know, they came out with a Jordan 4 canvas. The canvas is right here. Just a tad bit of canvas going through here. Alright, here's your tongue with the Undefeated logo on it. Your nylon tongue. So yeah, this shoe contains 5 different leathers, which is pretty nice. So I would say, like, maybe if you get this shoe dirty or anything, I would be careful with the type of material that I clean the shoe with. I would try to get like a soft brush. If you have like dirt and grime on your shoe, I would be particular as far as like the type of brush. I would probably get like a light bristle brush. Maybe order some cleaning solution from Shoe Rejuvenator. I'm sure they have something to help so you won't tear the shoe up. Just a soft medium. And they have like the little micro towels to help maintain the cleanness of the shoe because of the type of material that it contains. It comes with just basic flat laces. The most of the time the custom dunks come with the fat laces, but they also put a pair of just basic laces. I mean, I feel like it's a lot of black on here, so I feel like maybe if you put in some white fat laces, the shoe will pop a little bit more, because it is black. So it's a nice shoe. I'm a sucker for dunks, especially collaboration dunks. So yeah, you got your Undefeated logo. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. You got your Undefeated logo on the shoe as well. Nice dunk. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I think this was part of like the sneak pack that they came out with. It's pretty nice. So guys, that's it for the video. I'm gonna try to get the bangers out to you. Sneaked up, geeked up. I'm gonna try to get the bangers out for the vids.